An emotional interview with a woman convicted of killing her disabled daughter. Tonight, she says she is preparing for the possibility of a return to prison. It was a heartbreaking case that drew national headlines. A mother who chose to end the life of her severely disabled daughter when she thought she was dying herself. Bonnie Liltz was sentenced to 4 years in prison, but was released last year for health reasons. Now she is facing the possibility of going back to prison to complete that sentence. Charlie Wojciechowski spoke with her today.
It was 3 months, but it was hard.
Bonnie Liltz says her time in the Logan Correctional Center almost killed her. Now she may have to go back.
It is difficult to think about having to go back. I am afraid of my health. I mean, you know, I've got great doctors here, you know, and they kind of are keeping me going, but back in there, I didn't get the medical care that I should have.
Liltz was diagnosed with ovarian cancer when she was 18. The treatments cured her cancer but left her with profound intestinal problems. In 2015, during her own health crisis, Bonnie gave her severely disabled adopted daughter Courtney an overdose of pills through her feeding tube, preferring that they die together rather than seeing the 28-year-old placed in state care.
When you're in a situation where you feel like you're dying and you've got this little person here sleeping right next to you and you're going, Lord, what's going to happen?
Rather than accept her guilty plea and the prosecution's recommendation of probation, Judge Joe Greenblatt sentenced Liltz to 4 years in prison. Last year, she was released after her weight dropped to 84 pounds.
I'm scared, you know, I'm afraid of the same thing happening.
Last week, the Illinois Supreme Court declined to hear her appeal of her case. That means the judge's ruling stands and Bonnie would have to go back to prison. Her last hope, that Governor Bruce Rauner will grant her request to shorten her sentence.
Essentially, we're asking the governor, as head of the executive branch, to agree to commute or shorten her sentence based upon the medical issues in this case.
Bonnie Liltz says she did what she did out of love, not malice. She says she would not do it again. The request for commutation will be submitted to the governor's office later this month, a few days before Liltz could be ordered to surrender herself again to the Department of Corrections. Allison, Rob, back to you.